Hi there, Jim Palmer with the MVP Insurance Agency and MotorcycleAgent.com. Let's talk about how to save money on all of your vehicle's insurance policies, as well as getting the deductible to a net zero. And we're able to do that with the All Vehicle Protection Plan by Assurance Plus. Now, what's really nice about this plan is it's not insurance. That means everybody pays the same price. Doesn't matter how many vehicles you own, where you live, or maybe how many claims or violations you have on the record. Once enrolled, all of the benefits are unlocked, and the strategy is to look at how much can you save on your current insurance policy premium by increasing the deductibles. So you take a look at the comprehensive and collision, you increase those deductibles to $1,000, which equals the amount that can be reimbursed with the primary benefit. Now, an unlimited number of claims can get reimbursed to you on this plan up to $1,000. So instead of paying for a $250 or a $500 comprehensive or collision deductible, you would pay for the $1,000 deductibles. Then if you have a claim and it's finished, Assurance Plus is going to reimburse you the $1,000. Now, that doesn't mean you have to stop at $1,000 for your deductibles. If you wanted to increase them to $1,500 or $2,000, the maximum reimbursement per claim is $1,000. Just remember, you don't want to set your deductibles too high. If you don't hit a deductible, you don't have a claim. And if you don't have a claim, then there's nothing to be reimbursed. So find that sweet spot on your own policy. See how much money you can save by increasing those deductibles without increasing your exposure, knowing that you'd have that $1,000 getting reimbursed to you. Now, this plan also comes with essentially a 20% off coupon in your pocket for repairs. Now, this benefit has a 30-day wait to get utilized. The deductible reimbursement and the other benefits are unlocked on day one. But any vehicle that you own or a family member that lives with you in your primary home is eligible to have a 20% reimbursement on the repairs. And then if you do get stuck away from home, you're 100 miles from home, you have a disablement, we're able to get $100 a day for food and $100 a day for lodging reimbursed to you. Also, the plan comes with an identity theft restoration benefit and then an online warranty vault for those important documents. So check it out. Again, you're looking at your current insurance policy for any vehicle that you own. See how much money you can save by increasing those deductibles. We would do the deductible increase after enrolling in the All Vehicle Protection Plan. That way that benefit is locked in right away, and you're just going to keep money in your pocket. Enrollment is 100% online. Reach out to me directly. We get you all fixed up.